simply sitting for 8 hours will affect our ability to respond to insulin and our blood glucose control. When I started in the field of exercise physiology 30 years ago, it was exciting and it was all about the science of movement. And here we are full circle looking now at the science of being sedentary. It is amazing because our jobs require so many of us to sit behind a desk for 8 hours plus. Understanding the effect that has on our bodies, simply sitting for 8 hours will affect our ability to respond to insulin and our blood glucose control. So there are very negative effects of being sedentary. By moving even a little bit, lifestyle movement like gardening, getting up every hour and a half if you're sitting at your desk to just walk to the water cooler and back, or go to the restroom and come back, will make a difference in how our body responds. So there is a level of fitness. The more fit you become, you have greater impact on health. But from all-cause mortality, being sedentary increases your risk of death. Moving even a little bit, like gardening or walking, moving around the house, even daily chores of life, will reduce your risk, increase your health and wellness most dramatically. And then fitness comes after that in terms of the benefits.